Hello friends, welcome. It is Rachel here, and today I am doing a Rosettes process video, which I haven't done for a very long time, but I'm excited to do this. I am using the amazing, the beautiful Heidi Swapp Sun Chaser collection. Oh my goodness. This might be one of my new favorite collections, definitely one of my top few favorite collections of the year. I think it's so pretty. The colors are gorgeous. These colors are my favorite. And I love everything that comes in this collection. I think it's so cute. The cacti are cute. Let me look here. The rainbows are cute. The colors, the fruits, it's just all really adorable. It's fun and summery. It's perfect this time of year if you're, going into the summer months. So yeah, today I'm going to make some rosettes, and I'm using these pre-made ones that I got in Happy Mail from Pen Pals. I think these were from Cheryl. If so, thank you, Cheryl. And I'm just organizing the ephemera pack from little pieces to big pieces because I'm going to use the little pieces for this, obviously. So I just wanted to put the big ones aside so that I didn't get them mixed up. And yeah, so I feel like I'm a little bit rusty with my rosette making, but these were really fun to make because this collection is so great. So it made it pretty easy to put together. Oh, I love that little cactus sticker. I think I decided to take that off because I knew it would get covered up too much, and I just love that sticker too much. It kind of reminds me of like really old Dear Lizzy collections. I forget what that collection was called, but it was so cute with like the cactus and stuff. I think it was with cacti. Anyway, it reminds me of older Dear Lizzy and like crepe paper and like all of my favorite collections combined. So I think it's just such a wonderful collection. And I am using these pop dots. They're 3D foam squares, and there is, let me see the sizes here. 6.35 by 6.35 square. And they're 2 millimeters high. Sorry, I'm just reading it here. And then the others are 11 by 12, so they're a rectangle. By 2 millimeter high. So yeah, they're really cute and dainty and perfect for rosettes because they're cute and dainty and tiny. So they fit on these little itty bitty projects, which is great. It's exactly what I need. So these you can find on Scrapbook Nerd, and it comes with 217 pieces. They're permanent and they're white. So they kind of like blend in with your projects a little bit, which is nice. Yeah, that's a good thing to have. I have realized with projects, because sometimes I use the bright color foam and then you can see it and it looks a little funny, but the white kind of blends in a little bit. Yeah, so I'm just having fun layering these embellishments and using those pop dots that were so handy for me. And oh yes, and also that glue there. I'm trying this Nuvo Deluxe adhesive from Scrapbook Nerd. Trying this out, seeing how I like it. So far, so good, but I'll let you know how it goes in the long term. Let me know what kind of adhesives you use. And I think the packaging on for Nuvo products is so adorable. I think they do a really cute job with their packaging of their products. I just think it's really cute. So that's fun. Yes, I did just recently get a huge haul of products from Scrapbook Nerd. Not huge, but 2 collections. I got Heidi Swapp's Sun Catcher, this one, and Maggie Holmes' Round Trip, and they might be 2 of my favorite collections in a very long time. So that haul, if it's not up on my channel already, it should be going up soon if you want to check out all of the details of all of the products I got. So I did finish that one. I will add a little bit more to it later, and then I will show you a close-up in slower motion. Not slow motion, but slower than what it is now, so that you can get a good idea of the close-up. But yeah, I can see myself starting to hoard some of these things because they're so cute. Oh my goodness. I also think these rosettes, a lot of times people ask me what I do with my handmade embellishments. I think a rosette would look really nice on the front of a mini album or something. You just have to be careful when you put it on a shelf if you line them up back to back. But if you like display your albums, I think these rosettes would look really pretty on the front, like just one rosette in the middle or something, or even like 3 lined up. I think that would look really cute, and I really want to do that maybe on a travel album or something. I think I'm going to use these for like some kind of like summer activity travel album or something, because they're really, really cute. I just love these colors, and actually I think this collection would go really well with Round Trip as well. So kind of thinking about what maybe summer activities I have coming up that I can use these for, because I think that would be really fun. So yeah, let me know down below if you have made rosettes before. I give them to pen pals a lot in Happy Mail, and they can use them for whatever. And I sometimes display mine just for inspiration, because they're almost like a little, I don't know, a little palette of like inspiration, or a little palette of like a little taste of what the collection is in just a itty bitty rosette. And you can get a little taste of the collection from the rosette, and yeah, and have that displayed or in your craft room. Or these would also look really cute on like a gift package. I think that would look adorable, or even like it would make a super easy card. I mean, the envelope, you couldn't really put it in an envelope, but these would be really cute on the front of a card and just make it super easy to put together. So there's so many different things you can do with rosettes if you kind of think outside the box a little bit. Yeah, so I did 3 today, just finishing out my 3rd one, and also, yeah, totally can share these with pen pals as well. So that is fun. Let me know what kind of projects you're up to and what kind of collections you're loving lately, because these 2 collections I am loving right now. I can't wait to dive more into Heidi Swapp and do use like some of the papers for scrapbook layouts. I'm so excited to do that, because these papers, this paper pad is so adorable, and I feel like I'm gonna need doubles of everything because it's such a cute collection. So I'm really excited to dive into it for scrapbook layouts as well. So many things I want to make with it. So little time, but I will get there. These gems are just from my stash, so I just wanted to have little gemmies or something to add a little bit of something more to these rosettes. And so that's what I'm adding here, and that's going to be my final touch. And I actually totally forgot about the phrase stickers that I had. I really could have used them on these, but I totally forgot them. They were hidden underneath some other things. Otherwise, I definitely would have used them. But here is a close-up of the 3 rosettes. I love how they turned out. I'm gonna have all the links down below for Scrapbook Nerd if you want to check out this amazing collection. Let me know if you grab it. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll talk soon. Bye.